Hey, it's Leo Johnson from MarineMax Lake Norman. I'm here today to take you through a beautiful fresh trade-in. This is a 2023 Chris Craft 31 Launch GT. This particular boat is in the Portofino Blue with the red stripe, and it's got the almond and toffee interior. It's equipped with two 8.2 liter Mercruiser inboard outboards with just 25 hours on them. Let's climb aboard and check out the interior of this beautiful boat. Welcome aboard this 31 Launch GT. First thing you're gonna notice on the aft section of the boat is we've got a very large sun pad here that converts back and forth with your movable seat. We've got flip down cup holders here, as well as a stereo remote, USB and USB-C chargers over there to the right of the occupants back here. We've got a shower on the transom as well. And you see, of course, this faux teak flooring throughout the aft section of the boat. It's a very good look and very durable as well. Following me inside, you see we've got the snap-in style flooring in here. Really nice, easy to clean. Also got a fold-out table that stows away nice and easily over there to maximize your entertainment space. Nice highlight of this Chris Craft model is this side boarding door here on the starboard side. Comes up and over, folds in super easily. Nice way to get on and off the dock, and there is a ladder that goes in that position as well. If we close this up, first thing you're gonna notice stepping into the boat is that there's a ton of space for entertaining. With the table stowed away, you could fit 5 or 6 people over here. Got a great entertainment center wet bar here. Got a nice sink, countertop surface for cutting, and you also have a refrigerator here and an ice maker on this side. Here at the helm, you've got a great Garmin multifunction display. It's got great access to your maps. Of course, you've got digital switching through here as well for the boat. Lots of other engine and system data. Behind that, you do have an analog gauge on this boat, so nice redundancy with your engine hours. You see we're at just 21.1 hours on this boat, has a 2023. Got access to your house battery voltage as well, of course, with your speed. Down below that, you've got a Chris Craft branded leather wrap steering wheel. So you've got that nice floating center there. Keep the logo up all the time. Also got a handful of manual controls here for things like your horn, your bilge pump, your windlass, your engine hatch, and your powered helm seat as well. Nice option. Over here at the very right, this boat is equipped with the Seakeeper Ride trim tab system, so you've got a control for that right there. You've got your main Fusion audio head unit, and just below that is your Mercury vessel view screen, which is going to control all of your engine data. Got a Mercury joystick on this boat as well, in addition to twin digital throttles with active trim. It's a very well equipped boat technology-wise, and it's all laid out very well here at the helm. Third seat to pair with your helm chair. Got flip-up bolsters on this one. Also got 2 cup holders over here, USB chargers, as well as a 12-volt receptacle. Got a nice glove box here to store some items with a magnetic catch. And up underneath here, we've got a very expansive head compartment. You see we've got the owner's pack down there right now. It's a very well-equipped zone there with a large mirror, as you can see. We've got the sink in there and plenty of storage space if you decide not to use it as a head. Walking up to the bow on this boat, we've got a very large flip-over windshield in combination with a really nice block-off door here to keep those elements out. This tucks away nice and easily. The first thing you're going to notice as you step into the bow is that it's a very spacious place to be. Got lots of storage in here under these very comfortable seats. Got a nice little hatch in here to access your electronics. Also doubles as some storage. You've got 2 stainless steel cup holders on either side with a Fusion audio head unit over here on your starboard side. Of course, USB chargers as well. Up on the bow deck here, you have a shower here as part of your water system. Great access to your cleats. And up under this hatch, awesome controls for your windlass anchor. Wrapping it up here on the aft section of the boat outside, I wanted to talk about one of my favorite features, and that is the thru-hull exhaust option that this boat has. With the twin 8.2s and these valves open, this boat screams out on the lake, sounds great, and can be just as quiet with the switch of a button. Another important thing to note is this boat has been treated with the HullMaxx clear bottom paint, so it's a very nice way to keep this boat in the water. Gives you a nice performance boost, and it looks great as well. If you like this boat, have any questions about it, or want to check it out, come stop by our showroom here in Cornelius, North Carolina. Give us a call or check us out at MarineMax.com, and we'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.